Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can turn on Shein app notification. Now to do that, you open the Shein application and then get logged in into the account first. Now if you look for any setting regarding the notification on Shein application, you might not find it, as in this setting there is no specific notification setting available for Shein, but there is a way how you can enable or turn on Shein app notification. So what you need to do is go and open this setting on your phone device. Tap open setting on your phone device. Once you're at this settings section, you need to go and tap open the Shein app info page. For that, go to the apps and notification first, tap that. Then you open the Shein app info page, tap on it. Once you tap upon that page, you need to go to the notification section. You tap on notification on top, and you can see there currently the notification from the Shein application is turned off. That is, you no longer get any notification that pops out from the Shein application. So for you to enable it, all you have to do is tap on the toggle, moving it to the right side. And once you do that, you will start receiving the notification from the Shein application. So this is a very simple way for you to turn on Shein app notification from your setting, not within the application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.